Alright, so we'll go over we'll do a quick weekly outlook for I'm expected for next week on DXY. We'll also go over gold and NQ. I'll check the other majors, they don't really look as good. So on DXY, swept out the monthly sell side, displaced higher, closed above this inversion fair value gap. And then I was saying on this week I want to see an open low high close delivery from this inversion fair value gap to the buy side. We've taken out the buy side now, but the question is, do we reverse from taking out these highs, or do we continue higher to this high? We had on this weekly candle we had a very bullish closure, so in my opinion I'm expecting that we still see higher, but the monthly candle closure is the most important part, right? If next week we close back inside the range and close this as a SFP, then it's likely we're just going to continue consolidating, maybe come back for the range lows as well. So yeah, we've had this monthly buy side sweep. We're starting to see some sort of retracement, and we have this engine in low and this daily fair value gap, which is also the previous week low and this weekly BPR. So what I'd be looking for is, if we come into this level, I'll be interested in longs. If we close below this level, then it's likely there's a stop run on a higher time frame, and we're going to come back for the range lows. So we're just playing the range highs, disrespect bullish PDRAs, then likely we're going to come for all of these low resistant lows. But if we see displacement from this area on a 1 to 4 hour, then it's likely this is just a retracement, right? And we're going to make new highs. My mouse just died. Let me quickly connect that. Cool. So yeah, what I'm watching for is, because we've taken out the external high, it's likely that we're going to come for these internal lows. So what I'm looking for, because the 4 hour has already turned bearish after sweeping the monthly buy side, this is like the low risk sell, right? Displacement, engineered highs, swept the high, formed this new OB. So on the daily, with a new bearish order block, and we've inverted this fair value gap and volume imbalance. So we also have the previous day high, which is the Friday high, which is the inside bar candle. So I want to see price take out the previous day high, and then this will be an early week play, right? Some sort of AMD, and then we could just look for shorts towards the previous week low. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for DXY, right? External taken, likely price gonna go for internal. We have this engine high, key level, so all we need is to wait for price to tap it and then give some sort of lower time frame confirmation. And then on euro, same thing, right? Daily OB, Friday low, super the Friday low, and then we got this high here, and we might even come and tap this upper daily fair value gap inside of this weekly inversion. So we'll just have to see if we get the longs here. We'll see how price reacts to this level. If we get above this level, then we got all of these trendline highs to target as well, and then this will be a potential market maker buy model. If we close above or show no displacement, then we can continue to look for longs all the way up here. If not, then if we get up here, then just easy shorts back towards these lows, because we still have this monthly sell side as the target on euro, right? We still have these equal lows, so I'm more willing to look for shorts here than look for longs with these equal lows still intact. So yeah, that's the game plan for next week. Pound looks like shit, so I wouldn't be trading that. ECAD also looks like shit, equal highs and equal lows, so I'll be trading that. EJ also looks like shit. Aussie looks like shit as well, so pretty much just euro is the only one I'm watching for. Yeah, Swissy I don't like as well. Actually, yeah, no, Swissy I don't like as well. Oil looks like shit as well, taking out the high time frame, drawing liquidity, long massive wick, and now price is just starting to consolidate, so I wouldn't watch this pair. Bitcoin looks somewhat interesting. We have this monthly fair value gap, which I haven't tapped yet, and we're seeing price reacting to this lower imbalance and weekly high, but I don't really think this is the top yet, right? I think this is trying to bait early shorts into the markets and then push it higher one more time. So I wouldn't really trust the daily BPR. Same with ETH, we've left perfect equal highs with this weekly fair value gap, also a monthly fair value gap. So me personally, I don't think the top is in for Bitcoin or Ethereum yet. This would be, I think this is a retail trap. So personally, I'm waiting for one more sweep on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And on gold, I was saying on this week that I'm bearish on gold, right, because of this daily BPR, and we got a perfect Monday range play into the daily fair value gap. So the Monday highs into the daily fair value gap, closed back inside the range, open high, low, closed the next day, and then I managed to catch shorts from here all the way to the previous week low, and then we also had this daily fair value gap, price tapped into it, and then this massive dump here. So gold very overextended. This is likely the draw, and then we'll probably see some sort of recovery after we take out these lows, right, because of how overextended gold is and how bullish of a market it is, right? This is probably baiting people into thinking that this is the top, right? And then when the sentiment starts to turn bearish on gold, we'll probably see gold start to reverse and go higher. So I don't think this is the top on gold. I think we'll see a recovery soon, but just like how everyone was bullish because of the war news at all-time highs, liquidates all this liquidity that's been built up, and everyone that full ported their longs on the market open with the war news around here, I got absolutely fucked. So when the sentiment is bullish, pretty much just fade it. And you're just here, like, you see now the sentiment's turning bearish with large displacement, large bearish candles. People are going to start turning bearish on gold. So soon we should start to see bullishness on gold again. Same as silver. This lowers the draw on liquidity, but I won't be trading this because it's overextended. But I do think we'll see a recovery soon. And then NQ, you guys know I've been bearish on this for the longest time, right? These sell side targets have been my draw liquidity for a while now, and it looks like after this weekly candle closure, we might finally start to get that, right? As a very bearish weekly candle closure, closed below the previous week low, with these equal lows as a draw liquidity. And I was trying to look for shorts on this day, right, because we had our previous day high sweep into this volume imbalance and this daily fair value gap, and then we've seen displacement lower, right? And then I was trying to look for if we could sweep these highs into this 4-hour fair value gap, but we'd have perfect equal highs, so nothing for me that I would take here. But yeah, pretty obvious drawing liquidity being these lows, so probably won't trade this. But yeah, same with ES already taking out these lows, so I'd anticipate still lower because of how bearish the weekly candle closed. So yeah, that's probably it for this weekly outlook.